Me for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's quickly take a look at this question from the just concluded WAEC mathematics. Now we have this question here which says, for what value of m is the expression m plus 1 over 3m squared minus 2m minus 5 not defined? For what value of this expression is this quadratic expression here, or quadratic fraction, not defined? Now, for a quadratic fraction to be undefined, you will have to equate the denominator to 0. Now let's do that and answer this question. Solution: we have m plus 1 over 3m squared minus 2m minus 5. Now, for what value is this? Is m not defined in this? Like I said, we are going to equate the denominator of this fraction to be equal to 0, and the denominator we have here is 3m squared minus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. So we are going to simplify this using any of the method of solving quadratic equation. So I'll be using factorization method, and in factorization method you will multiply these two. That's 3 times minus 15, 3m squared times minus 5. That will give you minus 15m squared. Okay, so the two factors of this 15m squared, that when you add or subtract, it will give you minus 2m, will be minus 5m plus 3m. That's minus 5m plus 3m. Okay, when you multiply these two together, it will give you minus 15m squared, and when you add or you subtract them, it will give you this. Now we are going to replace or substitute the value of this minus 2m with minus 5m plus 3, and by doing so we are going to have 3m squared minus 5m plus 3m minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are going to group this way. Now from the first group, we are going to factorize, and by factorizing, m is common. We'll bring out the m in brackets. If the m strike out one of these, you have 3m minus 5 in brackets. Now what is common in the other group? Only 1 is common, that's plus 1 in brackets. You also have 3m minus 5 equal to 0. Then we'll have m plus 1. That's the two values outside your bracket. You put them together and you pick one of the brackets, which is 3m minus 5 equal to 0. Now this is still the same thing as m plus 1 is equal to 0, or 3m minus 5 is equal to 0. By further simplification, we are going to have m, if the 1 comes here, it becomes minus 1, or 3m is equal to 5. Now this is still the same thing as dividing both sides by 3. You have m is equal to 5 over 3. So in conclusion, we can say that the value of m is equal to minus 1 or 5 over 3. So these are the value for which m in this quadratic expression is said to be undefined. Now if you enjoy this video, if the video is useful to you. Please make sure you like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.